Hi guys, I'm back in with another video, and as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing a hair review today. And today we'll be reviewing the Morvally hair company. This is an Amazon vendor, and we'll be reviewing their synthetic headband wig. This is a 22-inch wig with 180% density and is also heat resistant. So if you want to see how I got my hair to look like this, make sure you continue watching. But wait, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and put your notification bell on so you don't miss out all of this. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. So I already have my ball cap on. This is the hair we'll be installing today from Morvally. I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but this is the packaging. It comes with a bunch of different headbands. This is so cute. I love that they sent this to me. So it has the cheetah print headband. It has a floral one. This has like pink and other colors in it. Super cute. And then it has this other one right here. I don't even know what this is styled, but yeah. So yeah, it comes with 3 headbands. And I don't know if the hair itself comes with these headbands or if I was just gifted this. And this is the wig and how it's packaged. Now this is 22 inches. It comes all packaged nicely. It's like a wavy body wave texture. Super cute. And what else do we have here? And then they do give you a cap, but yeah, I'm not wearing this cap since I already have this cap here. So first thing first, we're gonna do our edges. I have never worn a headband wig before, but I've seen plenty of reviews or many TikTok videos on headband wigs, and I know that you have to do your edges first because yeah, why not? So I have my edge brush, and then I have the Eden 24-hour edge control. Now, I love this edge control, but sometimes it be looking a little greasy. I like to use Gorilla Snap because it holds longer, but use whatever you like. So first thing first, I'm just going to brush my hairs down. Make sure everything is down as much as my edges as I can possibly get. Now, I don't know if it's because this edge control is 2 years old, but it always makes my edges look really white and ashy looking, and it kind of messed up my whole shebang going on. So you're going to see me struggling to do my edges because it just wasn't working for me. So these edges is just not it, and my hair is getting frizzy. I just need to get a new edge control, to be honest. But yeah, if you have any recommendations on edge controls, let me know. But right now I'm gonna use Got to Be glue. Okay, now that my edges are done, I think this is the best it's gonna get today. I'm gonna take the wig and I'm gonna place it on my head. This wig has 3 combs on the front, 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the back, and then it has a strap in the front on the headband part of the wig. Okay, so it doesn't really feel secured. Like, all it really has is the 2 clips in the front and the back, and since I can't really stick the clips into my braids because that would just be too uncomfortable, I just have the back clip in and then the strap, and I put the strap as tight as possible. So yeah, it doesn't feel very like secure, so I feel like if I shook my head too much, it would just slide right off. But this is my first impressions. I think I'm gonna do my face and then give you guys the full look. Okay, I have my face on now, and I didn't do anything to the hair. This is how it looks. This is the curl pattern. It's super wavy, super cute. The hair is a little bit tangled, but it's still very soft and fluffy. Of course, it's synthetic hair, but so it's not as soft as like human hair, but yeah, I really like this. I think I'm gonna put on the cheetah print headband. Let's see how this goes. So this is how it looks with the headband on. I'm gonna brush through it a little bit so that the hair can lay down. Okay. This is how it looks with the headband on. I really like this hair. I think it's really cute. It's simple, and also you don't gotta deal with lace. Oh my gosh, dealing with lace is no fun. This is perfect for when I just want to, you know, get cute and go to class, or if, you know, I don't feel like doing my hair but I still want to look nice, all I do is slick my edges and throw on this wig. I really like this hair. If I were to rate this hair, I would definitely give this hair a 10. It's definitely beginner friendly. You can throw this on and just walk out the door. Easy, simple, cool. All you gotta do is slick your edges. And even if you don't want to slick your edges, like, I could cover my edges right now and you wouldn't even, like, you wouldn't know nothing. Like, this looks super natural, super cute. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about this hair. Like, I feel like it speaks for itself, so it's not really much for me to say. But, like, you get the picture. You get the picture. I'm relieving myself right now. If you would like to purchase this hair, make sure you check the links in the description box below. And also, I have their Instagram down there in case you want to check out their Instagram page. But that's about it. Make sure you check out my last videos. They'll be somewhere on the screen. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, put your notification bell on so you don't miss out all of this. And as always, remember to be beautiful and love yourself.